A curation by 6 beautiful brands, all happening at Beige Gallery for 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. And collection में क्या क्या है? Let's check it out together. Beautiful Banarasi dupatta and dress material that are perfect for all occasions. Along with that, Indo-Westerns that you will get in different variety, colors, patterns, designs, as well as in various styles. Also, we have some casual chic collection, festive collection, something for your office and daily wear in different colors and patterns. To top it all, we have beautiful options in jewelry also that is quirky, that is multi-purpose and perfect for all occasion. And now to check out the collection, swipe left. This is brand Cardinals. Hello.
Hi, let's start from our silk kurta sets. We have
Okay.
introduced some new designs.
All right.
We have some pastel colors. This is all pure fabric with handwork.
Okay.
We have some collar and cuff pattern with handwork details.
Beautiful.
We have some ombre options.
Okay.
We have some options with dupatta as well.
All
These
right.
are some new designs that we have introduced. Everything is in pure fabric and sizes can be customized. We have something in Marodi work, something a color of which I am
You're
wearing.
wearing.
Then we have introduced new designs in cotton as well. These are some of the designs
Okay.
in pure cotton with hand block and hand work in it.
Okay,
These
very
are
smart.
some ombre options in cotton.
Okay.
And then we have some short options as well.
All
We
right.
have some short with patchwork in it, some shirts on silk. We have some
Smart.
hand painted shirts also.
Lovely.
Hi, I'm Wrinkle from Quirky Jewelry, and as the name suggests, we have all the products with many styles wearable and a huge variety of all the accessories what you need, right?
Lovely. So let's check out their collection. They have beautiful lariats that are open lariats. So here you can style them in multiple ways according to your neckline. Along with that, they have beautiful options in these also. Shorter versions are available. They have something like this in boho that you can pair with your white shirts, with your saris, or with your western wear also. They have these beautiful pearl collection pura that also is a classic collection and that you must have in your wardrobe. Along with that, they have earrings. They have something like this in chunky jewelry. Along with that, rings के बहुत सारे options, watch charms, and they also have earrings के बहुत सारे options. Just look at that. With that, they have these stackable bracelet options and few more options in beautiful. This is brand Abhi's. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Today I'm showcasing kalamkari.
Okay.
These are the kalamkari and block print dresses.
Okay.
Kaftan are there.
Alright. Smart options. Okay.
Some block print in pashmina also.
Okay.
These are the pashmina. We have a good cotton option also.
Okay. So cottons are also available.
We have aba, rai bandej aba.
Okay. Rai bandi.
This is a shikari one.
Okay.
This is with dupatta.
Okay. Very pretty. Beautiful combinations. Look at that. Lovely.
This is
This is brand Violet. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, my brand name is Violet by Mowgli Shah.
Okay.
So festive wedding collection.
They have festive and
सब
wedding
handwork में
collection. Okay. पूरा handwork में है.
पटोला में पूरा मरोड़ी वर्क,
Patola with Marodi work.
प्योर सिल्क में फुल डिटेलिंग, टैसल्स एंड ऑल.
Beautiful tassel detailing के साथ.
अनारकली में कुछ पन्ना है.
Anarkali style. Okay. All right. Okay. Something in quad set style if you want.
Just tassels detailing, टिश्यू पे
Okay. Tissue पे tassel detailing if you want something like that.
फ्लेयर प्लाजो एंड पेप्लम स्टाइल में कुछ पहनना हो.
Okay.
बनारसी में प्लाजो भी.
Beautiful, and they have dyeable. This is Krupa's creation, and they have beautiful festive as well as thoda wedding collection. If you want something for haldi, mehendi, baithaks, side occasions, They have everything. Just look at that. Beautiful options. Banarasi पे है पूरा. With pants. Tissue पे. With contrast pants. That is interesting. Very smart. Look at that. Okay. Okay. अगर ऐसे कुछ 3-piece सूट सेट ऑप्शंस में चाहिए तो वो भी ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल. Alright, something in classic blacks. Some festive, beautiful colors, pinks and violets. Okay. Look at that. Anarkali style में है पूरा. Very pretty. This is brand Satika. Hello.
Hi, so we have everything in Banarasi, all kind of weaving we have. This is chart weaving in Kattan.
Okay.
Then we have Ramkat in Kattan. Then we have Karwa motifs in Kattan.
Okay.
In vibrant colors, all festive colors are there. All of them comes with tassels.
Okay.
Then we have lots of new festive colors suits as well.
Okay.
3 pieces sets.
3-piece suit set.
Yes.
Okay.
Then we have in mushroom silk as well, in organza, in silk, in
Alright.
tissue, in chocolate. All kinds of suits in Banarasi weaving is available.
Okay.
Then
Very
we have
pretty.
some dyeable dupatta as well.
Okay.
You can dye it in your choice of colors in
Okay.
cotton, organza. Then we have in chinia silk as well,
Beautiful. Alright.
in mungas as well.